Hello everybody. Today we'll discuss about cartonization planning (EWM). And what is cartonization planning? Cartonization planning is the result of creating of virtual HUs. Now these are also called planning shipping handling units, PSHUs, popularly known as. These PSHUs will be used as templates for creating shipping HUs during picking or packing. Now, cartonization planning can be done at three levels. For a given ODO, that is given outbound delivery order, we can plan to consolidate the package into shipping HU, or for a given wave, we can do cartonization planning, or for a given warehouse order. So this can be done at three levels. Quickly, I will run through a test case which I have tried to showcase based on only quantities. Now what I've done here is I have set up a ship to set up a product, and I've created a sales order which is of 10 quantity. And now what I want the system to do is propose the packaging material or a handling unit which is bigger in size when the quantities are higher, and propose a small box when the quantities are less quantities are being sent in the sales order. Now I have the sales order numbers here. Probably I think this one is 103. Let me check. So I'll check. Now let's start doing the test case. I have this ODO which is number 344, and then if I click on reference document, you can see the delivery number which is an ERP delivery number. What I want to show you is the quantities. It's 10 in quantity. First of all, I'll run the cartonization planning for this particular ODO which is 344. The transaction code for this one is /n/scwm/capdlv. Press enter. Now this is the transaction for ODO cartonization planning. Now I'll put in my ODO number which is 344 and click on exclude items with PSHUs and run through this. Now what it is saying is you have selected one delivery item. I know in my ODO there is only one delivery line item. Yes. So the system has now proposed some messages. So I'm interested in this particular message. So there are 6 cartonization packaging materials that the system has has in scope, and 6 packaging specifications. Now I want to see which of them is my which of them is the proposed PSHU plan. If you click on here, sorry, this way, click on this detail button. So this is the number that it is proposing. So the packaging material test proposed is 6. Now I can also see this in the monitor. I'll quickly show you outbound documents, planned PSHU items. I know my ODO number and just execute it. So you can see the PSHU details here. Now I'll quickly run through the outbound document. PRDO 344, execute it, go on, follow on functions, create a task, create a warehouse task, create and save. So it will give me a warehouse order number. So I go here, and it's a product warehouse task. I can see the source bin and the destination bin is my GI area. Okay, now if I click on pick HU, the system has proposed me an HU number. Okay, this is the pick HU, and what I want to show you quickly here is the logs, warehouse order creation rule logs. Here the system will tell me that the HU determination, the plant HU determination, see, plant HU are used to for the HU determination. New HU opened with the packaging material BOXL. HU is created according to the plant shipping HU. It itself means that the template which was determined by the cap transaction is now used to create the handling unit which will be used for shipping this particular quantity of the stock to the ship to. Once I confirm and save, this completes one of the cycle. Now I have another test case I go back. I have another audio, which is the number 343, I think. So this is one where I have the quantity, which is the same product, but the quantity is 2. Now I'll run the cartonization planning for this particular audio and then see what is the result. So the audio is 343, and click on this, execute. Again, it is proposing the same message. Click on in here, sorry, to detail message. So it's a new PSHU generated. Now the packaging material is different. The reason being the quantity. Now I'll show you. /n/SEWM/PRDO. Enter. The number is 343. Execute it, and then I'll do follow-on functions. Browse task, create and save. Now I go here, confirm it. Once you click on PSHU, see the packaging material which is proposed is a different one, which is smaller in size. The reason being the quantity to be packed is a smaller quantity. Now if you see the log, warehouse order creation rule log, and then warehouse order creation processing, and then open up this creation rule for PSHU, you'll see the system has created based on this box. It has created a HU which is 137. So the difference here is, if the quantity was high, the system has proposed a different packaging material automatically. If the quantity is low, the system has proposed a small box. This is the concept of cartonization planning. This is a pretty simple example, but we could plan different products into be packed into a particular ship HU, and how to do that, and how do we do when you have a wave, how we do that when you have a warehouse order creation rule with some packing profiles and stuff. We'll discuss quite in detail. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy your day.